The hero breaks open the gate. An old factory. His parents, tied to a post. A time bomb ticking on their bodies. He fights the villain. Saves them. Applause. Happy ending.
As a child, I saw this climax in every movie. Different languages. Same story, same ending, same cheers. But in real life, the story doesn't end there.
It continues in retirement homes with chandeliers, in crumbling old age shelters, on lonely balconies and cold railway platforms. The bombs, still ticking, not of wires and circuits, but of abandonment, silence, and slow fading. Where are the heroes now?
We were supposed to be, but we became the villains. The applause has stopped. The count has begun.
One forgotten parent at a time.